Get a feel for the 2020 Nissan Altima. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.